In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Discord soundboard. First, make sure you're using Discord on a server where you have permission to speak in a voice channel. The soundboard only works in voice channels, so you'll need to either join an existing one or create a new voice channel if you have the right permissions. Once you're in Discord, look at the list of voice channels on the left side. Then click on one to join it. You'll know you're connected when you see your profile picture appear at the bottom, showing that you're in the voice call. With the voice channel open, look near the bottom of the screen where your voice controls are. You should see icons for things like mute and deafen. And nearby, you'll find the soundboard button. On desktop, this usually looks like a little music or sound icon. Click on that, and the soundboard panel will open. Inside the soundboard panel, you'll see a collection of sound buttons. These are preset sounds that you can play into the voice channel for everyone who has soundboard enabled. To play a sound, simply click one of the buttons. You'll hear it play back in the call, and other people in the voice channel will hear it too, depending on their settings. There is usually a short cooldown between sounds, so things don't get too spammy. So if you can't play another sound right away, give it a moment. If your server allows custom soundboard sounds, you might see an option to add or upload new clips. When you're allowed to do this, choose short, clear audio files and give them names that make sense so you can find them quickly during conversations. Keep in mind that server admins can limit who can add or manage sounds, so if you don't see that option, it may be restricted. You can also adjust how you experience the soundboard. Open your user settings, go to the voice or audio section, and look for soundboard volume controls. Here you can lower or raise how loud these sounds are for you, or even mute them completely if you find them distracting. As you use the soundboard, be mindful of the people you're sharing the channel with. Use sounds in moderation, avoid anything overly loud or annoying, and follow your server's rules. When used properly, the Discord soundboard can add a fun, interactive layer to your voice chats without overwhelming the conversation.